guys, so this is day 2 in Jamaica. Yes, remember guys, I missed the flight on Friday, so I came on Saturday. And no, it's day 3. You are right.
That's why it's like even for you.
But it's day 4 for you.
Day 4 for yes.
Okay, day 3. Oh my bad. Okay. And we've just woken up. I am so tired because yesterday we had the day full of activities, right? So what we're gonna do is just go down and have a swim in the pool. I'll show you. At least now we can see the hotel. We take a swim first before we go to the mountains and the waterfall. That's what we're trying to do today. If you have not subscribed by now, what are you doing? Join us on this channel and be part of the family, okay? Make sure you hit the subscribe button. That if you are part of the family, gang gang. All right, I'll see you guys just now, okay?
How do you begin with a line? You're ending. Sorry. Sorry,
Woo.
How do I email these people?
These are the views for us this morning. And we didn't get to see this because we were busy with activities. These are all my clothes.
And somebody called us sisters yesterday.
No, somebody called us triplets. Apparently, we all look the same. All
Look
of
at my
us.
face.
She saw how annoyed I was. And then she said, but y'all are gorgeous. So I was like, okay, it's okay.
Whatever.
Anything before this, I forgive you.
No,
thanks.
man.
But
Me,
now
I'm
when I
not
told them,
functioning.
they're upset.
I don't function on that. If you begin with a lie, you ended with a lie. I'm sorry. If you're lying, could we look alike? Because clearly
We don't.
we don't.
We do not.
Unless if you're blind, then again I'm worried about you. Either or, this situation is not correct in any scenario.
One thing I'll advise you guys, if you're coming as a group or you have this as a planned vacation, I highly recommend plan your outfits and also try and have some matching outfits too, because you will really look cute and you look organized, right? You look like a team. You look like gang. You know what I mean? Try to have a planner in your group so you make sure you're on time for activities, you're in time for things to do, you're on time for stuff, because time flies when you're on vacation. Do you understand me? Time flies when you're on vacation. So, okay, one thing while I was reading on the board is because they said to us there's some complimentary activities that we can do as long as it's written on the board. It's gonna be free for that day, right? So if they say massages, if they say any kind of therapy for that day, that will be free. So I have, when we go downstairs, I'll make sure I will read what activities are free today. Hey, so if you're new to my channel, my name is Zinzi, and I like to call this channel a sharing of real life experiences. So right now we're on vacation in Jamaica. So if you don't know this, that means you may need to go back, retrack, and catch up with all the travel videos I've made on this channel, and then you can come back. But this is day 4 of us being in Jamaica, and we had not seen the Cliff Hotel. This is where we're staying, so I'm just going around showing you exactly how it is in the daytime. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to see the rooms, you would have to watch the first video. When we arrived, we did a room tour. Now this is outside. They've got 3 pools. The first one you've seen, this is the second, a large and well designed one. And then the third one is a saltwater pool, which is generally the water in the ocean. In case you don't want to swim in there, you can just swim in the pool rather. I cannot express to you just how beautiful this place is, and if you're going to go to Jamaica, try by all means to stay at the Cliff Hotel. That's the main event, the showstopper. It's coming up right now. Okay, so my favorite feature about the hotel has got to be the cliffs. I mean, you can just jump off the cliff and you're right in the vast waters. And I was in awe at every single point in time when I looked out. I was just like, wow, this is amazing. So the rest of the video is us jumping off the cliff, of course, and snorkeling. If you don't know what snorkeling is, stay tuned, because I also didn't know, and this was my first time. Disclaimer though, first time was a mess, okay, but I redeemed myself, so keep watching and see the better. So here's another pool that I was struggling to show you guys the other night. And here is the jump off spots. Like, oh, there are crabs here. Man. Oh. He is fishing. If you can see him, he is fishing. So I can jump over here, walk down the ladder over there. Or over there where you can. And you can see him. It's crazy. It's crazy. Crazy. You know what I mean? It's crazy. I didn't call him. Am I supposed to? I'm supposed to call him? Yeah. Say hi for the camera. Say hi for the Come, say something to the camera first before you go. Say something.
She's funny. Being funny.
Oh. We're tired of you sponsoring us.
Stop playing us.
Oh! How is that?
I knew you were gonna do that.
Oh.
That's why I was
Okay.
like, are you going in with that?
Okay, look for it. You are a diver. Look for it. Look for it. You are a diver.
Look for it. Yes.
Okay, wait, Musa. The camera. Musa, throw the tripod over.
You want me to call someone?
Yes.
Strategy.
Yes. There he goes. Damn.
Oh man, he's a diver.
Oh wow!
So cool.
Oh! Look at him! Yay!
Too big.
No, they're fine. My ankles are swollen.
Yeah, it looks that way.
Yeah. Susie, what? Yeah. Did you get your goggles?
Space walking.
Susie. Susie. Wait for me. Oh man. Love your everything, all that spray stuff that I bought, we never use it. Not once.
Okay, do this.
Is that doing things?
Yeah.
It's doing the doing things. Okay, good.
It feels good after a while. Thank you. Thank you. No, we're testing the thing.
Just in case.
Okay, fine. Ricky, are you ready to get
Yes, yes.
me on camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go closer, yeah.
What was that? What was that? You barely slapped the ground. What was that? Are you okay? Okay. So that was painful. You good? Okay. All right. You ready? Huh? You ready? No, I'm scared. You're scared? Yeah. You barely slapped. Are you scared right now?
Come and hold on and back this if you're not. leather.
Okay. I was scared to hit the rocks. I know. Let's go hold the body. What is pushing me away? I'm pulling into it.
It's gonna be rough right there.
We'll take you away.
Yeah.
Pull you there. Like, no, you don't. Oh, yes, you do. Oh, no, you don't. Are you okay? Huh? I don't want these flippers.
Take
First
them
of all,
off.
I slipped.
Yeah.
Ow! Ow! I slipped. And then after slipping, I'm trying to swim. I can't swim with them. You can't swim with them.
Turn this one off.
Huh? We're going to swim the around the bend.
Okay.
And then we're going to get out. Look at that big wave coming. Woo! Oh gosh, I saw it coming too. Ah, look at it! Wow! I guess you figured that I slipped and I did a belly flop. Well, my feet were small in the flippers and I wasn't used to swimming with flippers at all. That was just, first time experience and everything, but I don't want to mess it up for you because as soon as I was in the water, I was fine. Besides the water coming into my mask, I was okay. So it's a great experience. It's lovely. I loved just looking at the water underneath, the fish. So what we're going to do is on the next video is to include all of the footage my friend is taking right now. As you can see, she's holding the camera and going around the coral, the reef. You don't want to miss this, so make sure you're subscribed. I didn't see you. Oh wow. Are you jumping? Yeah. I'll catch you underwater. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna jump in. Okay, I'll let you. Let me put my mask on. Alright, jump. Okay. Thank you. More work, right? Oh wow, that's beautiful. Wow. Wow.
Chiching life! Killer, yo! That's a chiching life, man.
Okay, put it inside.
See that one too?
Yeah.
That one again?
Yeah.
Take it. Take it.
Ricky, are we not late? What's the time now? We are late? We should come out now? We want to do your more because we can come back and do this. Should we go now? Let's go!
You okay? You okay? Why are you running?
What? That's why I tell you first.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm not a good swimmer, but these were actually helping.
Oh,
Made
really?
it so much easier than yesterday. I was
Okay.
struggling yesterday.
Oh.
Yes.
I was fine. And when I took them
And
off, I was
fine.
better.
Yeah, she was fine yesterday.
And I'm fine now, but the water in my mask. Yo.
Now there is no enjoyment that I did not have yesterday. Now enjoyment I have now.
Oh, breakfast.
You. Whoa.
Yay.
Let me show you breakfast, guys.
Wait. I need to record this.
They brought it. That's yours. The first
Oh,
one.
that's mine. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, are we eating now? Oh, we can eat in the car.
Yeah, in the
Okay, guys, we are going to dress up and be ready for. Sorry, I'm just trying to situate myself. Okay, I need a towel. Okay, got one. So we're getting ready to go to the mountains and the waterfalls. So I will tell you, or I'll catch up with you when I'm there, right? If you hadn't subscribed, please make sure this is the time. Just pause for a second, hit the subscribe button, like the videos. If you haven't watched any of them, they're just as good. So visit my other videos, please. And follow me also on Instagram, Zinzi Official, same handle. And let me get ready and then I'll catch up with you guys. First on the road to the mountains and the waterfalls. And then we'll update you when we're there. Okay, bye guys.